we wish to find now the limit of the sequence square root of 4n squared plus n minus 2n. So we know that this is not a convergent sequence. So gagawa tayo ng paraan para maging convergent ito. Now, observe that if we multiply the conjugate of this, okay, so we have square root of 4n squared plus n minus 2n multiplied by the conjugate plus 2n square root of 4n squared plus n plus 2n. This becomes now the limit of 4n squared plus n minus 4n squared divided by the square root of 4n squared plus n plus 2n. And we can actually cancel this, which gives us the limit of n over 4n squared plus n plus 2n. Notice that still this is not convergent. So, if we multiply 1 over n over 1 over n, this becomes now the limit of n over n divided by over n plus 2n over n. Then we have the limit of 1 over, pag pinasok natin yung n sa loob, that becomes 4n squared plus n over n squared plus 2. Which becomes the limit of 1 divided by, so we have the square root of 4n squared over n squared is 4 plus 1 over n plus 2. So, pwede na natin ngayong gamitin yung quotient theorem. So, this becomes the limit of 1 divided by the limit of 4 plus 1 over n plus the limit of 2. Or we now have the limit of 1 over, yan, we have the limit of 4 plus the limit of 1 over n plus the limit of 2. This gives us now the limit of 1 is 1 over the square root of the limit of 4 plus limit of 1 over n is 0 plus 2. So we have 1 over 2 plus 2 or equal to 1/4. Therefore, the limit of this is equal to 1/4.